With each passing day, the world changes beyond recognition, but there is something that has remained constant for millions of years. The sun. It is what wakes us up every day. Its energy is our driving force. And when properly processed, it is converted into electrical energy, the lack of which would make the functioning of our civilization so difficult. At KENO, we use it to continually grow and expand our business. We constantly share our knowledge and experience with installers. We are a leading manufacturer of photovoltaic system components, mounting systems and switchgear boxes. We design and manufacture state-of-the-art modular homes with complete smart home systems. We are aware of how valuable energy is, so we strive to make the most of it. We have introduced an electricity trading solution for you. It allows you to realize the full potential of your system, which will directly contribute to cost savings and environmental protection. Our logistics center is actively committed to maintaining steady supplies for our customers. We are one of the largest distributors and manufacturers of complete photovoltaic systems in Europe, constantly expanding our product range with the new solutions that enable our partners to grow. KENO, full of energy.